Y'all, it's a sad day. Today's the last video of the year. Oh gosh. How are we gonna make it? Are we gonna get through it? Oh, the last video of the year. Oh. Well, if you're watching this, it's because you're amazing, and I already told you how amazing you are in class. I have purposely put in my heart to share that message with you today. And so I am so glad, so glad, so glad, so glad I had the privilege of teaching you this year. I know you're going to do amazing on this test. I'm so proud of your strides and what you've done this year. You are amazing. You are amazing. You are amazing. And so let's watch the last video together and get through this test. All right, rectangle WY, blood, we got is dilated on a scale factor of 1/3, creating the prime rectangle. What will be the perimeter of the rectangle that is prime? So we know that perimeter means to add all sides. It look like all sides, one word. Okay, so in order to, we need to find the perimeter of the original rectangle. So the original rectangle has these sides. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 2. This is a rectangle, therefore this is 4, and this is 2. So the original size is 4 plus 2. Original sides are 4 plus 2, which means 6 plus 6, which means 12. Okay? And so a scale factor multiplies. Okay? So we're going to take the 12 and multiply it by 1/3. And then somebody's knocking at the door, so I got to tell them a video's in session. 3 goes into 12 one time, so we end up with 4. So the new perimeter will be 4. Let me pause it. Okay, on to the next problem. It says, what is the approximate volume of the cone below? Well, we know the volume formula for a cone is V is equal to 1/3 pi r squared h. I'm going to tell y'all a secret. I did this problem and I forgot about the h, and I was like, what did I do wrong? What? And then I realized, oh, I didn't put the h there. So don't be like me in that sense. Okay, so we know that V is the volume, 1/3 times, and we don't see this in terms of pi. If we did have them in terms of pi, we would have a pi symbol right here. And since we don't have the pi symbol there on any of these problems, so we are going to use 3.14. But we need to understand that the radius is half of the diameter. So we need to divide 11, come to the side or up here, 11 by 2, and that gives me 5.5 times 5.5 squared, sorry, that goes like that, times my height of 12. So don't be like me the first time. Forget to multiply by the height. And so we put all of that into our calculator. And then my calculator tells me that the volume is 379.94, which is approximately, even more approximately, 380, which has to be A. Okay, not in terms of pi, centimeters cubed. Okay, number 46, the measure of the angles of a triangle are 43, 86, and 51. What is the measure of the largest exterior angle of the triangle? So the measure of the largest exterior angle of the triangle. So if we remember, this is the exterior angle picture. Remember, y'all? Okay, this was 1, this was 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Give you a moment to draw that. Okay. And the remote interior angles, 1 plus 2 is equal to 4. So if we want the largest exterior angle, then we want the largest interior angles on the inside. So we're going to let 1 be 51 and then let 2 be 86, because that's going to give us the largest exterior angle right here. So we know that these two gives us this right there. Yes, add it to your picture. So when we add these together, we get 137. So some people are going to be like, oh, let's pick the largest number. No, these numbers will not add up to 151, okay? The two angles will give you that angle, okay? So the answer is 137. All right, y'all, I'm done. It's been a pleasure. Like I said, you've been amazing. You've been great, as always. This is Mr. O'Neill. for the last time this year. Oh, this is another Beast Mode production. Oh. And I pray next year that you have a great teacher like me because I'm amazing and you should end up being amazing like me. All right. All right. I'm out.